everyone, welcome back to my channel. So recently I have gone through with few interviews and I'm going to share all the questions of one of the interview which I have gone through in 2025. So total I have 7 years of experience in full stack Java development. So these all questions are the combination of Spring Boot, Core Java DB, and the real-time scenarios. What I have told to the interviewer, and this is asked by one of the interviewer. He told me like he has total 20 years of experience, and this was from one of the MNC. So let's go through of it all the questions. So I am only going through of all the questions which has been asked to me, but not all, not with the answers. Like you guys can go to the chat gpts, you can search around the google, and you can answer it based on your real time experience, how you have used, where you have used in your real time day to day coding life. So let's go through of all the questions one by one. So the first question which was asked by the interviewer is very basic questions which you will face in all kind of interviews, like tell me about yourself, what is your project roles and responsibility, what kind of module you are working in, and what kind of technology you are using from the front end perspective, back end perspective. So uh, this all he has asked me all the basic questions, and the first questions which he asked me, he told me first to share my screen and to open eclipse or spring tool suits, any of the coding tool which I'm comfortable, IntelliJ, whatever it may be. He just wanted to check the logic and the coding, the coding, how do I code, the coding style, and he just wanted to see the output. So first he asked me to open the clips, and then he has given me the two list, the list 1 and list 2. And first he asked me to merge it, whether with the legacy method, or whether you can use the java 8 new features to or java 8 plus versions to merge this list. So it's all up to you, it's all up to the interviewer. So but this is what the questions, and these all are the questions, this three questions which you can see in my screen are the most common questions which I have faced almost 5 out of 10 interviews. So it's a mostly asked questions. So the first question is, I have the two list, you have to first merge it, and then how to sort this list which you have merged it, and with the duplicate you have to sort this list with the duplicate and then the without duplicate. So this was the first question. The second question, I have a list and you have to print the count of duplicate, and then you have to remove the duplicates. Third question was the, I have a list, identify it is a prime number, and if it is a prime number then remove it from the list and print out the list which is having only non-prime numbers. So this was the three questions. Let's go to the another questions. So this all were the another questions. So guys, like I have told to the interviewer, like currently I am working into the banking domain. So my project which I am working on is the banking domain. So what he asked me, in your banking application, in your project, how to maintain the security of applications. So this was the question, and whatever the answer I was giving during the interview, he was asking for everything. Why? Why this is? So you have to have the in-depth knowledge also. Quite, if you are answering something, you have to explain the why also, because what I have faced for this particular interview, like he was asking me why for every question. And the next question was the, how you will throw the user out from the screen if the screen is idle after some time from the backend. Because from the front end we all know we have the timeout. Okay, so he was asking me, if you wanted to throw the user out of the screen if screen is idle for some time, but you have to do it from the backend. For this also he asked me why. And next question he asked me what is the @ qualifier annotation in Spring Boot, which is the most common question if you are introducing yourself, you're working as a Spring Boot developer. And another is what is the AOP in Spring Boot and why, what is the use of it, where exactly we use the aspect oriented programming language in the Spring Boot. And also he asked me, when I gave the answer, he asked me why, and he also asked me about the Spring event, like how you will combine the Spring event listener with your AOP programming. So this was the question he asked me. And the next he asked me which method would you use to define the properties of a Spring Boot application. And then the next was, and when I answer again why. So what would you set the active profile, why, how would you, sorry, how would you set the active profile in Java Spring Boot, and why is this required, why we require the active profiles in Spring Boot. And the next was from the SQL. So how you will achieve the many to many on two tables. He has given me the two tables and he asked me you have to achieve the many to many relationship between these two tables. And then later on he asked me what is the left outer join and what is the inner outer join. If I will having this two table and you are applying the left outer join in this two table, what would be the outcome. And I have two tables, if you are applying the inner outer join, then what would be the outcome. So guys, if you want the answer for all this question, please subscribe to my channel. I'll come up with the another video which will be having the answer for all these questions. Thank you.